What if you could transform smiles, boost patient confidence, and increase your practice revenue in one day? Are you struggling with inconsistent bleaching results? Unsure which products really work? Losing patients to competitors who offer advanced whitening treatments? Introducing AIAD's Advanced Bleaching Workshop, your complete solution to mastering modern teeth whitening. Join us for an intensive one-day hands-on training covering everything you need to know about professional bleaching. Here's what you'll master: vital and non-vital bleaching techniques, in-office protocols for immediate results, at-home systems your patients will love, managing post-orthodontic white spots, combination therapy for complex cases, professional documentation methods, plus hands-on experience and discussion with over 10 premium products, including USA-based systems. Join hundreds of dentists who've already elevated their practices with AIAD's proven training methodology. Mark your calendar. Date: February 22nd, 2026, Sunday. Learn techniques you can implement immediately from the very next day. Seats are filling fast. This is a limited capacity workshop to ensure personalized, hands-on training for every participant. Enroll now. AIAD. Upskilling Dentists. See you on February 22nd.